Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we have to resolve that particular error, that is attribute error, module supervision has no attribute, bounding box annotator. Did you mean round box annotator? So we have to resolve that particular error from that code. Now I'm trying to execute that garbage detection system project and facing that error. So we have to just open the main code and do some changes in the code. So let's import here, right, from supervision, import box annotator. Replace with the box annotator, right? Box annotator. Save this file and it will resolve the issue. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. If you want to solve that particular error, then just let me know in the comment section. We'll connect and try to resolve it. And if you're searching any type of project in computer science domain, then you can contact us. We are providing the projects in machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, web development, game development. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We'll share the project list as well. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.